See, being an infertility specialist, it's not only about theory and practicals. You should have a perfect knowledge about ultrasound scanning because ultrasound scanning forms the crux of the whole thing. See, once the lady comes in saying that she's infertile, first you should know by doing a baseline scan where is the problem. Is the problem with her or with the man? If it is with her, whether it is in the uterus, in the ovaries, or where is it in the tubes. So, for that, you should have a very in depth knowledge about ultrasound scanning. And learning about scanning is not a easy thing because not much of the centers will have such good patient load and experts to show you everything on a scanning machine. As I can recollect, I've gone to 2-3 places for ultrasound training. I had a very bad experience with this ultrasound training because they make you sit in one room and they make you read hundreds of books and hundreds of papers. Having theoretical knowledge is not doing scanning. So we have fought with the trainers there that we want a hands-on experience, otherwise we'll not be able to do our scans. What they did is they used to bring in one patient and one ultrasound machine, and the expert used to sit there and she used to do the scan. They never used to allow us to touch the machine or touch the probe. 20 of us will be gathered around the patient. I really feel pity for the patient because she'll be feeling so bad if it is a transvaginal scan. Her privacy is gone and she has to come there for one. Infertility itself, it's such a painful thing. Then 20 students standing around her and asking 101 questions. It's even a more pathetic thing. More so as a student, we are not allowed to touch the machine, not allowed to touch the probe. No, we don't know anything about the probe movements. And that's how a certificate is given. And there are so many pathological conditions in infertility like adenomyosis, fibroids, septate uterus, endometriosis. All those should be seen and should be felt for us to understand. I have not seen any pathological conditions, only I had read in the book. So I thought I'll buy my own machine and I had kept it in my clinic. The patients used to come and I used to do a free scanning. But because I have not seen those pathological conditions, I used to not pick up the pathology here also. I have learned the whole thing in a very difficult way. So seeing this, what we did was we bought a very good ultrasound simulator from UK. What they have done there is they have built in all modules of infertility, normal, abnormal, all conditions are there integrated in the modules in the ultrasound scans. So if you have to see adenomyosis, just click on adenomyosis module. You will see everything on that and you have a ultrasound probe, transvaginal probe, and there is a scan trainer built within that and it trains you how to move the probe, how to take the sections, how to take the measurements, when to freeze the image, and that image will be read by an expert online through cloud and they'll give you proper feedbacks what to do, what corrections to do next. So I did not want the students to have the difficult phase of ultrasound learning what I did it in the past. And we have a very good expert trainer, Dr. Supriya Sheshadri. She's a master in ultrasound training and I know how she teaches because I've gone one training with doctor for 3D scanning and the way they teach both theory, practicals, hands-on, they stand behind us and holds our hand and they teach us everything. So that's the best thing you can do learning scanning training in GGIRH.